Hello you lovely people, I'm about to draw the winner for our YouTube competition. Let's get to it. As you see, each comment got numbered. Let's draw the winner. We had 112 comments altogether. Number 111. And that will be Mark Low 19. Congratulations to you. If you can email us at flowerjoos@gmail.com with your name and address and we'll get it sent to you. Well done again.
So congratulations to our winners. I'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched the videos, who took part by commenting, and a huge thank you also to Wazakura for supplying our prizes. Now, we actually had a pair of scissors that we gave away, or we're going to give away on Instagram, and a pair of scissors for YouTube as well, because we realised that not everyone is on both. If you're not on Instagram, then we'd love you to join us there as well. So congratulations, and we hope to see you soon for another design video. Take care.